Hello guys, how you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. If this is the first time of seeing my face, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you know that this is the first time of seeing my face, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button down below. If you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I'll be dropping a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So guys, in today's video I'll be talking about our upcoming skincare training. So I have been advertising this for a while now on my YouTube videos. I just do like 1 or 2 minutes video telling you guys about the training. So I figured out that it's not everybody that might likely watch the video, so I decided to do this video separately so that for those of you that haven't seen the advertisement can see it on this video. So now our skincare registration is ongoing at the moment. So our training is about how to formulate skincare products, how to formulate body lotion, whitening lotion, lightening lotion, caramel lotion, how to formulate glow body oil, then how to formulate face cream, soaps, scrubs, treatment products, stretch mark products, and the rest. Okay, so this particular training, normally the price as of last year was 52,000 naira on promo. Then the original price is 80,000 naira. And then we also have another training whereby I teach you guys how to formulate different type of glow body oil, ranging from whitening oil, lightening body oil, facial oil, kids oil, stretch mark oil, and a lot. So this training, the oil training, I teach people about 12 different type of oils, like how to promise different type of oils. When I talk about promising, I mean promising your own effective body oil. As you guys can see, this is me. Okay, so there's no filter on this video, and if you guys must know, I'm using ring light to film this video. Like normally when I film my video outside, natural lighting is super great. It's better than using ring lights. Okay, so if you have been watching my video for a while now, you will notice that my filming area has changed. That's because of some certain reasons. Okay, so this is me. I use my own products. Okay, so when it comes to the natural products, when it comes to the full course training, I teach people about natural products and also promising. Okay, so we have like 70% natural products and 30% promising products. Okay, and I also give you guys free tips on how to make your own products effective, oils that you can use, that you can incorporate into your recipe that will make it super effective, and that refers to promising. Okay, and my training is very, very simple. We keep it simple, and questions are expected to be asked. Okay, so it's like we're talking about different things. We talk about skincare, we talk about how to you can formulate your own effective products. We just interact with each other, we learn from each other. So if you have been looking for a way to formulate your own skincare product, you want to learn how to make effective skincare product, please, I will advise you take this training very, very seriously. And another thing that I'll be doing for you guys when it comes to this skincare training, most of you already know that I do 2 different types of skincare training, which is the oil training and the full course skincare training. So now the normal price for the 2 trainings is about 90,000 naira for the promo price, while the original price is about 120,000 naira. So now, because of how I feel and how I want to help people, because I know that there are a lot of people that really want to go into skincare formulations that don't know how to go about it. Probably you are having issue with financial problem, you don't know how to go about it, you don't have the money to pay, and you really want to learn, you have passion for it. So I'm giving you guys this for 55,000 naira for the 2 training. Okay, so the 2 training is supposed to be 120k, but for the promo price is 55,000 naira. Okay, so I'm doing this for you guys. All right, and this particular training, we have limited people. Okay, so we don't want to accept too much people. We only need 20 people. So when it's more than 20 people, probably you have to wait for the next session and for that next session you won't be getting it at this promo price. And also, if you have been learning different skincare products and none has been working for you, because I have a lot of people on my DM complaining, telling me how they've spent money in different schools, different trainees, and by the time they make the product, none has ever worked for them. Some people even complain of the product damaging their skin. Please take this training very, very seriously, because you'll be learning a lot. I've been on this skincare journey for the past 3 years now. It's been a very long time. I have gone to different schools, I've done different trainings, I've done so many experiments, and I've sold a lot of products for customers, and I have gotten good and bad reviews. But the point is, nobody have ever complained so far that my product has damaged their skin or end up giving them stretch mark or anything. Probably they don't want to be patient to see the results, or they don't use the product consistently, or they don't use it for a very long period of time. But with the good review that I've gotten so far, it has motivated me to even do more for myself. In fact, I talked about the last training I did, the last school I went to last year. I spent a lot and I've learned a lot so far. Please take this thing for granted, take this training for granted, because you'll be earning a lot from this. You'll be earning a lot, you'll be gaining a lot, and getting your raw materials is not an issue. Just in case you are not here in Nigeria, you also want to, do this training, you want to attend this training, but you are not here in Nigeria, you are finding it difficult to get some raw materials. I have a supplier, okay? I can easily go to the market, buy the things and ship it to you. That is not an issue at all. So please, if you know that you are interested, this is 2022, try to be a boss of your own, try to make money, because skincare business, there's money, I won't lie. But that's if you know what you are doing, if you are formulating good products. Of course, nobody wants to buy product from you, and if it doesn't work, they'll still have to come back. No. So if it work for them, definitely they will come, okay? They will keep on coming, purchasing product from you. So please, if you know that you want to learn skincare products, you are interested, you are looking for a very good teacher that can teach you. I know I'm not perfect, but with the recipe I'll be giving you guys, I promise you guys that there's something that I've used, something that I've sold out. People have tried it and it's been working for them. So it's not like you buying things or you paying for things that won't end up working for you. No. So they will definitely work for you. And besides teaching you this skincare product, I will also be teaching you how to create your own recipe, which is very, very important. So if you know more about active ingredients, you know more about formulations, or probably you are just a beginner, if you attend this training, I believe you will learn a lot. Honestly, it will boost your game. Like you will be different, okay? You will know that you've done something. All right, you guys already know that the price for this training is super cheap, okay? I've seen a lot of people doing their training for 100k, 200, 300, 500, okay? Even the last one I attended was about 500,000 naira. So there's nothing different, okay? It's just for you to know what you are doing, know the basic, and know how to go about it, and definitely you will become a pro, okay? So you learning 2 different training that is worth 125 for 55,000 naira is a lot. This is like me showing appreciation for some of you that have been watching my videos, and also for other people that just came or that just discovered my channel, and for those of you that have passion for this business and you are finding it funny to pay, or you are scared of you paying to people that won't end up teaching you well, this is an opportunity for you, okay? So just grab this training and I promise you will definitely enjoy it. So please, see, I'm sweating, eh? Please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. I'll leave my number on the screen so you can chat me up. See you guys later. Bye.